Hey all of you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Composer on Windows 10. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Alright, open a favorite web browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Just type here get Composer. Click on first link. And you can see this interface. Basically, Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. So you can some option getting started, documentation, issue, download browser package, GitHub, and if you want to read this documentation, then click on it and you will see here step by step guideline. Now I'm going to click on download option and you can see here composer setup.exe. Click on it. Alright, Composer downloaded. Now I'm going to my download folder. Here is the file and run as administrator. Run. Click next and make sure that file location. Next. 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 Install. Click on next, next, and click on finish. Okay, let's check in CMD Composer install or not. Open your command prompt. Just type here Composer and you will see Composer successfully has been installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching this video. See you next video.